I need a product that's going to stand out in every single dish. And that's exactly why we use Knorr Professional products.
Hello. I'm Chef Kim from Unilever Food Solutions, and today I'm here at the Upper East Side restaurant with the executive chef, Chef Seham. So can you just tell me a little bit about yourself, your background, and what you do essentially here at the Upper East Side restaurant?
So my career started about 6 to 7 years back. I was a exec chef, I was a creative culinary director, and now recently at Upper East Side, I am the general manager as well as the kitchen manager.
In terms of a fully functional, fully operating kitchen, how imperative is it to have versatile products in your kitchen?
So I'm someone who's very creative. I love to play around with menus. I love to play around with ideas. So that kind of menu innovation, it needs to be supported by a feasible product.
How does Knorr Professional help support your pain points?
So we've got our consistency completely covered. And I don't just mean consistency of our jus.
Yes.
I mean consistency, yes.
Absolutely.
We've got efficiency. So in busy service sessions, we don't need to wait 4 hours to get a stock on the stove. We've got a 10-minute, 15-minute jus, beef stock done and dusted, and it's versatile. So we're going to be doing a lovely PNC fillet. This is my Knorr Professional beef stock granules. My holy grail, honestly. I use this in so many different dishes, and today I'm going to use it as my butter that we're going to baste onto our fillet.
That's super versatile. Wow, usually you'd use it in a stock or a soup, but you're using it to season your butter. I love that.
So next up, we've got a lovely creamy pasta. Right, now I'm going to go in with my vegetable stock. The Knorr Professional vegetable stock is my trusted gem when it comes to sauce making. It thickens it up quite nicely. It's the depth of flavor. It's exactly what I need. So we've got our pre-cooked pasta. It's been cooked and boiled in some Knorr Professional veggie stock. So it's got the aroma, it's got the flavor, and we're just going to toss it in the sauce. Lovely. You might think this is revolutionary.
I'm here for it.
In some mesh flake mixed with a little bit of parmesan.
Oh, beautiful. I love that. That's so creative.
Exactly.
This is such an interesting way to use no mash flakes. I mean, one would just assume you could just make mash, right? But it goes beyond that. So chef, tell me, how does Knorr help you every day maneuver around your kitchen operations?
You know, like every kitchen, we do face a lot of difficulties when it comes to service, especially in our busy days. But Knorr Professional helps me to achieve consistency, versatility, efficiency.
Absolutely. Chef Seham, thank you so much for having me here today, getting to experience your kitchen, your everyday playground. So thank you for that.
You are more than welcome. I had an absolute blast.